Hi, welcome back. You are watching in the C++ programming language from problem analysis to program design, which is included from 5th edition. The evolution of programming languages. The most basic language of a computer, the machine language, provides program instructions in bits. Even though most computers perform the same kinds of operations, the designers of the computer may have chosen different sets of binary codes to perform the operations. Therefore, the machine language of one machine is not necessarily the same as the machine language of another machine. The only consistency among computers is that in any modern computer, all data is stored and manipulated as binary codes. Early computers were programmed in a machine language. To see how instructions are written in machine language, suppose you want to use the equation, like wages which is equals to rate point hours, to calculate weekly wages. Further, suppose that the binary code 100100 stands for load, 100110 stands for multiplication, and 100010 stands for store. In machine language, you might need the following sequence of instructions to calculate weekly wages. So as you can see here, 100100, 010001, 100110, 010010, 100010, 010011. Very good. Now, the assembly language were developed to make the program's job easier. In assembly language, an instruction is an easy to remember form called a mnemonic. Assembly languages is given load in the machine language 100100 and the store 100010, multiplication 100110, and addition 100101, and subtraction 100011. Using an assembly language instructions, you can write the equation to calculate the weekly wages as follows. Load, rate, multiply, hours, store, wages. The instructions first have to be translated into machine language. A program called an assembler translates the assembly language instruction into machine language. Assembler, a program that translates a program written in assembly language into an equivalent program in machine language. In C++, you write the weekly wages equation as follows. Wages which is equals to rate times hours, and put at the end file semicolon. As in the case of assembly language, however, the computer cannot directly execute instructions written in a high-level language, because the assembly language works as only to read the destination source of the opcode, and it can be reading and executes the machine language into low-level language. To run on a computer, the C++ instructions first need to be translated into machine language. A program called a compiler translates instructions written in high-level languages into machine code, which means that the compiler stands for compiling the source programming languages into a target programming languages. A compiler, a program that translates instructions written in a high-level language into the equivalent machine language. So we will continue this unit. Until then, wish you the best.